What it is, family, what it is, what it is. Hey. For real. Praise to the who? The Most High, baby. Hey, beautiful morning, man. Like, you hear that? Birds chirping. It's good to stay tuned in with the universe, family. Get them divine long downloads. Because once you get them the divine downloads, the epiphany pop in. Boom, boom. Oh, this is what I can do. I can be doing this. Why didn't I think of that before? Because of the simple fact, you was on the go. So sometimes you gotta fall back. Get a line. Look into yourself. Think deep, meditate. So you can elevate and demonstrate on a higher level. I ain't make that up, man. That come from who? The philosopher, KRS-One. For real. Hey, like, subscribe, tell a friend so they'll tell another friend. Let's go get it in.